This property owner in Hoboken, New Jersey, was having an issue with nuisance birds roosting and nesting underneath the railing of one of his docks. His future plan is to build offices on one of the piers for future businesses. But the nuisance birds were preventing that. Which is why Bird Solutions by Cowleys is here to help. Right now, we're installing bird netting around the entire pier. Bird netting is a 3/4 inch heavy-duty polyethylene bird netting that's used to humanely block all nuisance birds from entering any unwanted areas. We're locking the cables in place using copper ferrules. The bird netting creates an impenetrable barrier that denies the nuisance birds the access to these areas and removes the landing areas for them. They're gonna fly around, realize they can't enter, and move on. We're also installing several cemented poles and attaching a stainless steel grid wire to each one. The stainless steel grid wire is another deterrent that interferes with the nuisance bird's flight pattern and makes it uncomfortable for them to roost. Now the area is properly secured from all nuisance birds, and the owner can move forward with his building plans.